Alright, some of you have been asking how to go about cleaning your clipper and not breaking it. Best thing to do, wash your hands. So your clipper comes with guards. I always recommend after you're using your clipper, use a wipe to clean off any hair, clean off the germs. You could also use a wipe to clean your clipper. Your clipper is going to come with ceramic blades. Those will stay sharp forever, basically. When you're done using it, you could go in and start brushing out any hair, okay? And then you also have a choice to oil it. I always recommend cleaning and oiling after every use. So simply pour some oil on the white blade area and run the clipper so that the oil can make its way through the actual blade. Alright? Now there's another way that you could go further in cleaning it. You don't have to do this every time, but the top of the clipper can actually come off. So what you need to do is you need to set the guards all the way down. Once again, set the guards all the way down. So this marking should be at 2 millimeters. That means you're lowering the arms. And then you take your thumb and you push this upwards. Alright, so now you're going to see the clipper body and you're going to see the blade area. Alright, so within here, you can actually oil these areas. You can actually oil these areas, the motor and the mechanics. But you should always clean out any excess hairs that are in here. Clean out any excess hairs that are in here, and your clipper will stay healthy. Now, it's very important, very, very important. Do you see the arms move up and the arms move down? Arms move up and the arms move down. You should not be putting this back on with the arms up. You're going to break the mechanics in here because you're forcing this against there. You have to make sure that the arms are down, meaning that this is set to 2. This is set to 2 before you put it back. So we're going to lower the arms, and then we are just going to take this little groove, push the groove in here, and then push it back on. It's like a clip. Alright, so remember, set it to 2, and then you can push this on. I'll do it again for you. Alright, thumb out, set this to 2. Do not put it back on when it is set to 0.8. Set it to 2. Find the groove, push it here, and then push it on top. And then the clipper works. Alright? And that's how you keep your clipper healthy for many years. Alright? Thank you. Thanks for all the support.